Hello YouTube, this is Marshall Curtis. We are now on part 5 of my present vacuum competition, and this time we're doing the Hoover Windtunnel3 with 3 channels of suction, and this has steerable technology. And I already did these 3 guys, the Hoover bagged, the Eureka airspeed, and the Hoover wind tunnel. Let's get started. Let me just check something. I'll explain that later. This one flunks the how low you can go test. I'll stop that snow plowing now. Yeah. Here. If I have to do manual pickup, the brush roll does not spin when it's standing up. It only spins when the cradle release has been activated. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. You lose points for that. All right, it was my bad. On take 1, which is which I had to erase, I forgot to turn on the brush roll, and therefore it did much lousier. That's my bad. This time I had it on. Okay, well, this completes part 5 and the whole shebang, and you do not win. I pronounce the winner the Eureka. And between these other 3 guys, well, you comment in the comments below. Do you agree with me that the Eureka kicked all these others? All 3 of these others are Hoovers, and the Eureka kicked their ass. Of course, it's also the least used, but it's also the cheapest one. Do you agree with me? Comment in the comment below, and if you like my vacuum videos, destroy that subscribe button. This is Marshall Curtis, and thank you for watching. Peace out.